Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple ideas that may support your health in a natural way. Today's topic is unusual. Milk mixed with garlic. At first, it may sound strange, even uncomfortable. But many cultures have used this combination for years. So what is really behind it? Let's begin with garlic. Garlic contains a powerful compound called allicin. This substance has antimicrobial properties. It may help your body respond to harmful organisms. It supports your natural defense system. Then comes milk. Milk provides nutrients. It supports your body with energy. It may help reduce the strong effect of garlic on your stomach. Together, they create a traditional drink. Some people believe this mixture helps against parasites. Here we must be careful. There is no strong clinical evidence that garlic milk can fully eliminate parasites. It may support your body, but it is not a medical treatment. Real infections require proper diagnosis. Professional care becomes important. Now let's look at possible benefits. Garlic may support immunity. It helps your body respond to internal stress. It may reduce certain types of inflammation. Milk provides balance. It makes the mixture easier to consume. Some people also report better digestion, a feeling of warmth inside the body. But results vary. Each body reacts differently. Another important point is moderation. Too much garlic may irritate your stomach. Too much milk may cause discomfort for some people. So what is the right approach? Use this mixture as a supportive habit, not as a cure. Listen to your body. If you feel discomfort, stop. If you have symptoms, seek professional advice. Because natural remedies can support, but they cannot replace proper treatment. Understanding this difference is key. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support allows us to continue sharing useful information. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay informed, take care.